19th question. ABCD is a rectangle. So here ABCD is rectangle. This is a diagram from your textbook only. AB is equal to 18 centimeter they have given. BC is equal to 8 centimeter they have given. DE is equal to 10 centimeter they have given. And we must have to find the area of EBCD. EBCD means this area we have to find. This area we have to find out. To find this area, we are going to use a formula in the sense, to find this area ABCD, we'll write it as area of EBCD is equal to, I'll write as area of rectangle minus area of triangle ADE. Area of rectangle minus area of triangle ADE. So area of rectangle we can easily find out here. I'll write this equation as 1. But we have to find out the area of triangle first. Area of rectangle. So area of rectangle we can easily find out because we have length and we have breadth. So length into breadth we can easily find out. But we have to find out what is the area of this triangle. So how to find area of this triangle? We can find area of this triangle by using a formula, half into base into height, where base here is AE, this is the base, and height is AD. We know that AD is 8 centimeter because BC and AD are same. So AD we can write it as 8 centimeter. But we don't know what is AE. So I'll write that first. From the figure, AD is equal to BC, that is equal to 8 centimeter because opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Okay. Now we will find out this base AE by Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, we know that DE square is equal to AD square plus AE square. So DE square is 10 square, AD square is 8 square plus AE square. So this is 100, that is equal to 64 plus AE square. So we get AE square as 100 minus 64. So AE is square root of 36. So we get AE as 6 centimeter. So we have calculated now what is AE. That is the base of right angle triangle. Now let us substitute in the first equation. So from equation 1, we know that area of EBCD will be equal to rectangle length into breadth. So that is 18 into 8 minus area of right angle triangle, that is half into base is AE and AE we have calculated as 6 into height as 8 centimeter. So I'll write this as 8 centimeter. So now this will get cancelled. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, and 18 into 8 we get it as 88 at 64. 144 minus 8 threes are 24. So the answer for area of ABCD is 120 centimeter square. So this is the area of ABCD.